Hello from the Cerro Coastal Library. I'm Julie Cornett, one of the librarians here to show you how to easily integrate our online library collections and supports into your Canvas course. I will be showing you how to add the library webpage to your left-hand menu, course navigation menu, if you want to easily direct students to our collections. I'll be showing you how to use the LTI tool. Learning Tools Interoperability is what that stands for, to embed specific articles and resources into a page or an assignment. I'll be showing you how to embed articles and books from our collections that aren't yet integrated into the Canvas LTI, and I'll be introducing you to our LibGuides. Lastly, I'll quickly show you how to best direct students to the librarians for one-on-one assistance with research and citation. So let's begin by adding the library webpage to your left-hand navigation menu. First, you will click on Settings, then on Apps. The library webpage is an external URL that doesn't appear as an icon on this list. To add it, click on the Redirect tool, which is the big blue arrow icon. Then click Add App. I'm going to want to rename it Library Website or Online Library. And then enter the library webpage URL, which is www.cerrocoastal.edu/library. Click on the box that says Show in Course Navigation, and then click on the blue Add App. And voila, it is now in your course navigation menu, and students can easily be directed to it to conduct scholarly research. So there it is. The online library is now on the left-hand navigation. Now I will show you how to embed or link articles and media from our collections using the LTI tool. I'm going to find a place to do this. You can embed our collections into a page, discussion, or even a quiz. Most often you'll create a page, so let's do that. So I am creating a page. And I will call it Week 4 Readings and click Add. And then I will edit it to show you the LTI tool. When editing the page content, use the top toolbar to access LTIs. The small blue V icon, which is labeled as More External Tools when you hover over it, is where you will locate a few of our library databases that have this capability. Gale Reference Library, it's actually here it says Gale Virtual Reference Library, contains a wonderful collection of subject encyclopedia articles. Gale Literature is a comprehensive literature database used in most all of our English courses. Gale in Context Opposing Viewpoints has in-depth coverage of current topics and includes a wide variety of information sources, including media. Films on Demand is our other database here, and it has a wealth of educational films and clips on a wide range of academic subjects, and all the content is closed caption. So you will select the database that you want to find an article in, and the database search will load, and you'll search by topic. And the basic search, you can also just do title or author. So let's do motivation. There's all sorts of articles on motivation from these subject encyclopedias. We've got childhood development and motivation and management and psychology. All right. So notice when you open an article that you can embed a link to the article, or you can embed the entire article. I suggest embedding links to articles if you have several articles you'd like your students to read. If it is a single article you'd like them to read, embedding the full article is very useful. and it's really neat. As you can see, the student does not have to get directed outside of Canvas when you embed the entire article. Also, all the wonderful tools the database provides are included. Students can click listen to hear the article read aloud. Students can save the article to their Google Drive and make notes and annotations. Words throughout the article are hyperlinked, taking students to other entries in the database. And most importantly, at the end of the article, students can select APA or MLA citation. The LTI tool makes embedding our exceptional library collections into your Canvas super easy. Keep in mind, though, that the majority of our databases have not yet developed LTIs. So to embed content from our ebook catalog or our EBSCO, JSTOR, and other databases, you would want to open up the library website and click on the catalog tab to search for books and ebooks, and the databases tab to search for articles. Our book catalog includes 30,000 ebooks that can be linked in your Canvas. For this demonstration, though, I'll show you how to link to articles using our largest multi-subject article database, Academic Search Complete. I'll conduct a search on the artist Chuck Close. Your students will be prompted to log in. Usually just only one time, though. So we'll do a basic search here for Chuck Close. And here's an article, I open it, and as you can see, our EBSCO databases have many of the same tools as our Gale databases, citations, saving options, etc. You will click on the permalink icon, which is the little paperclip looking thing, and copy the URL that comes up here. You will then toggle back over to your Canvas, add a page, and paste the link. So I believe I did that. I'll do it again for you. Page, new page, I'll name it Chuck Close article. I'm not worried about punctuation here in the interest of time. So I'm going to open up my page, edit, and this is where I will link to the article. I suggest you introduce the reading to your students and add the hyperlink to the title you've given to the article instead of simply pasting in a nondescriptive hyperlink to your page. Read this article on Chuck Close and pay attention to the use of color. I'm just totally making this up. But now I can insert the hyperlink like this. And I will click Save. Once the student clicks on the link, they will be taken to the article in the database, which opens up in a new window. Note that the PDF of the article full text needs to be clicked on to read the article, the full article. It's a good idea to add a note instructing students to do so. Embedding the full text of the article into the Canvas page is not possible at this time with most of our databases, unfortunately. We're hoping that soon all of our databases vendors will develop LTIs because it's just so wonderful to be able to open up, read the article within Canvas. Switching gears, I'll now take you on a quick tour of LibGuides. From the main library page, click on Library Guides tab. We've developed guides on a variety of subjects and for a variety of specific courses. Contact one of the librarians if you're interested in having us build a guide for your course. As you can see, when I click Art, there is a general guide for art research that includes super useful tabs connecting students to books on art, resources and other resources in our collection, including how to cite sources. Let's see. Each guide also covers citation and how to conduct library research. To link to a LibGuide in Canvas, add a page or external URL and copy and paste the URL to the LibGuide using the same process outlined below. So you would just copy this and add it into a page. The last thing I'd like to show you is our Canvas Library Services page for students. To demonstrate, I'm going to enter into Student View. I'm going to click Student View, and all of a sudden I'm a student. Students in your courses can click on the services icon link in the dark blue farthest to the left navigation menu, and then select Library to get to the Student Library Services canvas. Here they have a variety of ways to connect with the librarians for research and citation help. They can fill out a form with their question and designate the best way to contact them, including phone and email. They can see the librarian's Zoom schedules for drop-in assistance. Also, they can use the 24/7 chat feature to connect with the librarian. Note that the service is primarily outsourced to non-Saragossa librarians. I'd also like to point out the modules on this page that are available to students. Right now, we have our first module, Avoiding Plagiarism, that you can direct students to who need to brush up on how to avoid plagiarism. There are built-in quizzes to test student learning about plagiarism and how to avoid it, including proper ways to cite and paraphrase. There will be more modules coming soon, including the new APA 7th edition, so stay tuned. I know I've covered a lot. This is a pretty long video. Please feel free to reach out to one of the librarians if you have questions or would like more information or assistance with connecting your students to our library collections and services. Thank you for watching.